Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are talking about how to make your own thumbnail for your own YouTube video. So, it's making a thumbnail. It's very important because it will attract your audience and your viewers, and it's very great. And for making custom thumbnails, you want many big softwares, applications like Photoshop, and many people use Photoshop, and it costs so many cash, and that is not good for a beginner YouTubers. And I have a great application like Photoshop. You can do similar to Photoshop on computers. The name is Gem, and it is available for Windows 10 or above Windows 7, Windows, okay, now Mac and Linux. And it's not available for mobile tablet like Play Store or App Store. It is very complicated using a mobiles because you should do so many things and your mobile space will finish. So it is great to use on a laptop or on your PC. So first you need to know how to download Gem. So go to your Google Chrome and write Gem download, and you will go to this here www.gem.org downloads. Click on this link here, and then you will go. Now we are on the website of Gem, and I'm using now Mac. So you can download Gem from via BitBrother. I don't know what is that, but I just download Gem from directly. The latest stable version of Gem is on Windows. It is called 2.10.18. For Mac and Linux, I think it is only for Mac. It is 2.10.14. So I'm using now Mac. Okay, now let's launch the Gem. Okay, now let's write Gem, and you can see here Gem 2.10 app, and click on enter. Now you can see a very super big item coming here. Okay, now we need to start a new file. Okay, now we need to start with pixels. If you don't know how pixels works on YouTube, do you want to know about that on my videos, go and click on that command and write if you want to know how pixels work on YouTube. So I will make that video surely if you want it. And let's make a new pixel. Okay, let's click on new. Now let's write the pixel of width on YouTube. It comes with 1280. Now the height is 720. Now you go to your advanced options. Go to fill with. The default is background colors. Go here and click on transparency. So it will be transparent, and click on OK. Now we are here. This is a transparent sheet with the pixels, and let's make this into your 50. Right. Now go to your Windows. You need tools for making here. So click on toolbars. You can see here at the left side a toolbars coming here. Now go here to layer brush. You can see in my right side. You can see enter. Now let's grab the ingredients to make your thumbnail. I'm going to make a basic thumbnail. So now let's take the documents here. Now let's take this background here. Now let's take this here. Okay, now we take the ingredients here. Now let's click on this. We have all the ingredients here on here. Now now we need to start with first ingredient. So I'm going to start with my photo, and you should take all the eyes. You can see many eyes here, and click on eyes. Stop the eyes here working. Click on stop eyes. Don't get out of the eyes of your background. Take the eyes of your ingredient or in your background. Now go here and click on right click on your Windows or Mac. Just click like this. Okay, now go here layer. Now click on scale layer. Now write the pixels that we have already written to the YouTube pixel thumbnails. It will be in the same correct order. When you shoot a photo on your mobile or on your DSLR camera, it might be not same pixels. So we should make it into Now let's write 180, 1280. Now let's write 720. Now we don't need to make it transparency. You should make it quality of cubic. Now click on scale. Now it is here. Now go click on this pre-select tool and make it order, so you can cut my photo or cut my body. So I want to cut my body. Go to 800%. Then go to download. You can see so many pixels. Go to your pixels and pixels. Okay guys, now cut over my body. Now to cut it, first you should cut when you started your first point. Click on your first point on your bust. Now your time lapse is being cut. Now I got here 50. Now you can see all of my selection is here. You can see so many dots, and I like that. Now go to your select and click on invert. So it will invert and it will cut that green option. Okay guys, now here is now in inverted. Now your background should be transparent. So go to your selection, your layer, and go to right click and go to add alpha selection. Now it is add alpha selection, so it means when you cut your background, now it will become into transparent. Go to your edit and go to cut. Now look, body more. Your background is now transparent, so my body is now only on that background. So now I want to flip my body. I don't want to be this side, so let me flip it. So go to your this two angles. So just look right, and you can see flip tool. Click on this and click here. Okay, now you can see this one floating selection. So we now need to click on enter layer and click again float. Now it is flipped. Okay guys, now I want to move my layers to this side. Okay, now I want to resize my layer. Okay guys, now I'm going to shrink. I'm going to scale this. You can just click here and go to your layer and scale. But we don't need that number and pixels. So we have another tool here called the scale tool. You can see here a scale tool. Now go and click here, so you can see a big boundary on your size. So this is the boundary of your photo that you have added. Now click on. I'm going to click on one boundary. Look, I'm shrinking, right? And you can see the width is now I made it to 612 and for 159. And I'm going to click on scale. And I think I don't like it. Now I'm going to make it again, just like this. Now it might be great. Okay, it's great. Now this is great. Now let's take this tool here. Okay, still. Okay, now I'm going to take this. My background is going to be this. So how to get that background? You can make also this on Gym. But for today, I'm going to take from Google Chrome. So this is taken from Google Chrome, and I like it. And let's click on layer and let's click on scale layer. Now let's write the same number. Okay, now let's click on 720 and let's scale it. Now it is same in the order. Now, okay guys, so there is many options to do. So now I have made my background. Now my own background, you can choose any background. You can make your own background using Gym and add your own background. You can do many things. This is just a basic thumbnail, and this thumbnail is going to be today's video, and I'm going to show you how to upload a thumbnail on this video, and I'm going to show you how to change a thumbnail if you already didn't made it in your other videos. Now I want to take this. I have taken this thing, so you can see here it is invisible now. Okay, click on here. Now just click these three things here. Now click on this more option. You can 3 is going to come here. Now it's going to be super easy for me. Now you can see here this 2 1 is getting the reminder of that big picture that I have added. So now let's take this here. Now let's put it here. Now I want to make it again small. I'm going to make everything into small. Okay guys, now I have changed my these three videos into another side. Now I want to do some writings. So I don't know which is the great font. I just use the default font here. Now let's write. Let's take put it here. Now the color I'm using is light green. This is rich. Okay. Now let's make it bold and let's write. Now you guys can see there is not your writings there. That means you should do is take this writing and grab to up so you can find your own. Now I got the thumbnail and it's just like I can't read. The people could not read it. So I'm going to take this here. Now I want to take some size correctings here. Oh, this is great. Okay guys, I finished my writings. Now let's take and put this icon means my writings. I'm going to take this writing so people can read my writings. So I just need is little bit editing on my writing. Now I want to add a YouTube ingredient and chimp ingredients. Means I'm going to put this two photos or mix transparencies and put into this here. Okay, so I just edited my thumbnail and I have done this some things from my Google and I just take my YouTube thumbnail. I just take from Google. I take this gym photo and I take that. I just crop that. I made it transparent of the background. Now I wrote gym, so it means YouTube thumbnail gym. So we tell how to make it thumbnail on gym so people can understand. Now the next thing that we should know every time is to know that when the smallest we can get is 12.5%. So when I put on 12.5% on my thumbnail, so it is now able to recognize my video and you should do that because for mobile users the thumbnail is very small. So they should need to be recognized with your thumbnail. Why we need to do that? And you guys will tell because the most people who use YouTube is using my mobile. So now this is my basic thumbnail. Now if you want to know how to make a Minecraft thumbnail for your own YouTube video, how to make a crazy thumbnails like for vloggers, traveling thumbnails, this is just a small thumbnail, basic thumbnail to make. Now I want to export this thumbnail. Go to File and click on Save. Okay, now go to this is my folder, Basim, and I'm going to save here. So this is CF. So means if you click on SCF, and you can just edit it again. Okay, now I'm going to save. Now it is saved. Now next I need to export. Now I'm going to export. Next I'm going to put this to Basim folder. Export. Then I'm going to put it to export. Now it will click. Now it will come this small icon here and click on export. Now you can see the exporting is progress. Now it is exported. If I click on my folder here and if I go to my documents, now you can see here my thumbnail is officially being here on desktop of my Mac. So this is the same thing you can do also on Windows and Linux. Now I'm going to teach you how to add this custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. Now I'm going to show you how to add your own thumbnail to your own video. So just click on here and click on upload a video, select a file, take this video I'm not going to upload this. I'm just going to show you how is this working. So you can see here, upload a thumbnail. You should be verified and partner on your YouTube studio. So if you don't verify it, go and verify to become a YouTube partner. Now click on upload thumbnail. Now you can see here my YouTube making thumbnail. Now you can see here uploading video. Now you can see here my thumbnail on the correct pixel. So it should be in correct pixel. So this is how we do, and add like this important step upload your own video. Okay guys, here I am on one of my videos that I haven't put that on my thumbnails on my YouTube studio, and this video is in private, so you guys cannot see it. So click on here on upload thumbnail. Here I have put. Now you can see my thumbnail has been changed. So actually I don't want that thumbnail, so I just want my default thumbnail. I just show you guys how to change that. Now this thumbnail that I have made is for today's video, and guys, if you like today's video, smash that like button and subscribe, and if you want to get this series on, let's see you in the next video. Peace out, bye.